The basic raw material of the European paper industry is wood, and paper for recycling has become more and more important. Today they represent 50% each of the fibrous raw material input, and all the increased raw material needs by the industry have been met by paper for recycling, while wood inputs have remained rather stable. It is a truly European industry based on European raw materials. Pulp is for 80% from the EU, 90% of the wood is from European forests. The non-fibrous materials are naturally occurring minerals like calcium carbonate or natural polymers like starch, for example. They improve the functionality of paper products. For example, they smoothen the surface for better printability of printed paper products. But also there are chemicals. There are functional chemicals, process chemicals, and coating chemicals. They influence the sustainability record of paper products in different ways. Fresh fibers are always needed in the system. Today we use 50% paper for recycling as a raw material, but a constant inflow of fresh fiber is still needed. Wood and paper for recycling are two components of the same paper loop in Europe. Paper for recycling is sometimes collected not separately from other materials, and then materials get contaminated, and therefore those paper products are less collected and more difficult to recycle than others. So we need to continue promoting separate collection at source. Another challenge is that the easily to collect papers like newspapers have decreasing shares, and more complex products get on the market that are invented but that are less recyclable, and therefore the remaining potential becomes a challenge. And finally, issue we have are the exports of paper for recycling. We do not say that those cannot take place, but we need to be very vigilant that collection increases with those exports. Otherwise there will be a problem for the availability of European paper makers. We have already 71.7% recycling rate today. We want to go after the remaining potential, but it will be a very challenging one.